The recent launch of the all-new M3 MacBook Pro lineup, including the M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max, has certainly caught the attention of tech enthusiasts. These powerful devices are available in both 14 and 16-inch sizes and are even set to make their way into the iMac 2. With all these exciting developments, you might be wondering if it's the right time to upgrade your MacBook. Should you go for the latest M3 generation, or is it worth waiting for the M4? In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive buyer's guide to help you make an informed decision. Let's start by discussing the M3 chipset and the key features of the new 14-inch MacBook Pro, which comes with the standard M3. First, the good news. The often polarizing touch bar is now gone for good. However, things get a bit perplexing from here. The design of the 14-inch MacBook Pro remains largely unchanged from the M1 Pro and M1 Max models, but it now features the M3 chipset. The primary difference is the reduction in the number of USB-C ports, leaving you with just two. On the plus side, it retains the HDMI port, SD card slot, and the beloved MagSafe port introduced in previous MacBook models. The pricing of the 14-inch MacBook Pro starts at $1,599, which, when you factor in taxes and additional costs, may make you question its value. It's essential to note that while the M3 chipset is not currently available in the MacBook Air, it is expected to arrive in this model in 2024. Surprisingly, the MacBook Air costs $1,099, a significant $500 less than the 14-inch MacBook Pro. This price difference prompts the question of whether the 14-inch MacBook Pro is a worthwhile investment. You could easily acquire an external hub for less than $30, which provides the same additional ports, saving you approximately $470. While the 14-inch MacBook Pro boasts a sleek design and a stunning mini LED display with promotion, the $500 price gap may leave you questioning its overall value. If you could compromise on the slightly smaller screen, 13.6 inches compared to 14.2 inches, and lighter build, the MacBook Air might be a more sensible choice. Before delving into the technical details of the M3 chipset, it's worth considering whether you should upgrade if you own an older Intel MacBook, such as a 13-inch MacBook Pro or an older MacBook Air. In such cases, waiting for the M3 MacBook Air, expected in around 9 to 6 months, might be a more economical option. Now let's dive into the specifics of the M3 chipset. The M3 chipset design closely resembles that of the M2, featuring 4 efficiency cores and 4 performance cores, along with a choice of 8 or 10 GPU cores. While it is reported to be around 60% faster than the M1 in some scenarios and approximately 20% faster than the M2 in select cases, it's crucial to note that not all applications will demonstrate such significant differences. Just as with iPhones, a real performance boost will be noticeable in applications that can fully leverage the newer technology. If you currently own an M1 or M2 equipped device, upgrading to the M3 may not be worth it. Instead, consider waiting for the next generation or simply opt for the MacBook Air when the M3 chipset arrives. The key is to ensure that your chosen applications benefit from the chipset's enhancements. Now let's explore the 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro designs. Apple emphasized that the physical design of these laptops remains largely unchanged, with battery life and screen quality remaining consistent. A notable feature is the ability to sync the display with the studio display, maintaining consistent brightness levels. Moving on, the M3 Pro appears to have fewer performance cores and GPU cores, as well as lower memory bandwidth than the M2 Pro. This disparity is likely attributable to advancements in the 3nm technology and clock speed, as well as improvements in GPU cache and ray tracing capabilities. The M3 Pro may be a good upgrade for folks who have older Intel-based MacBook Pros or MacBook Airs. Finally, the M3 Max appears to be the most feature-rich chipset in the list, with more CPU cores, more GPU cores, and a wide range of RAM options ranging from 36GB to 128GB. The M3 Max is a fantastic choice if you have a high-end Intel MacBook Pro or an older iMac. In conclusion, if you're currently using an M1 or M2 MacBook, it might be best to hold off on upgrading to the M3 series and consider waiting for the M4 generation. However, if you're still using an older Intel MacBook or iMac, now is the time to make the switch. With a rapid pace of innovation, staying patient can lead to more significant performance gains in the long run. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights to assist in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for the latest Apple news, reviews, and comparisons. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting tech updates. Goodbye.